I'm much more satisfied with my base box from this month. I don't see myself using any of the products that I received.
Some might say that I am just a bad girl, but if you treat me right, I will be the best girl in this whole world. No, I'm not gonna bite.
Hey girl, hey, it's Brittany Chanel back with another Boxy charm unboxing. Let's pause for the thumbnail. Okay, so this is going to be this month's premium box. And yes, let's check out what we got. Well, first, make sure you like, comment, subscribe to your mama, cousin, sister, auntie, everybody to come on over and join the Brittany Chanel train. And if you don't know about BoxyCharm, it is a monthly subscription service. This is February 2021. The premium box, it costs $35 plus tax. And you get 5 to 6 premium items in your box. So yeah, let's see what we got. So this month's theme, if you don't already know, is XOXO. And I have variation C2102383PM. You know they changed up how they do the variation. So let's see what we have. Oh, I was hoping I didn't get this. Okay, so first about the box, we have the Huda Beauty Pastel Rose. This is the outside of the boxing. Let me see if I can open it up for you guys. I was absolutely hoping I didn't get this one. I would have been happy with any of their pastel palettes besides this one. Y'all know I can never get anything out. Hey, Sharita girl, hey. Y'all, I can't get this out. No kidding. I cannot, okay? And this is what she looks like. This is like a pastel palette, so it's very like this. And it says that cream limitless looks from soft, pretty glam to bold runway styles with these pigment power palettes containing a variation of 9 dreamy mattes. This retails for $29. So Huda Beauty, we already know the formula is amazing, but I'm just not that into pastels. Like, she's not for me. But we will try her out today on the eyes. That's why I left the eyes bare. So we'll get into that. Next out of the palette, which this was my choice item, we have the Laura Mercier Matte Radiance Bake Powder Highlight. Is ultra smooth baked face powder that provides natural color with soft matte radiance. This retails for $44. You guys know I love Laura Mercier. I do like high-end makeup most of the time. So, you know, I'm a labels kind of chick. And this is what ooh, the packaging feels like. So it's like a powder highlight. And look at her. She comes through. And we're definitely going to try her out today. Definitely. Look at that. Look at the packaging. It's so sleek and just lovely. We love it. We love it, Laura Mercier. And yeah. And this retails for $44. We'll be trying that out today as well. As we should. Next, I do not want this. We have the Bali Balm Sweet Orange Coconut Lip Balm. It looks like this. And this, it says Bali Balm Sweet Orange and Coconut Lip Balm. Essential oils of sweet orange and coconut give this lip balm its citrusy, tropical aroma and silky smooth consistency. It retails for $33. And let's see what she looks like on the inside. Even though I'm going to sit this to the side for my sister, this is what the Bali Balm looks like. Come on, stop looking at my eyes. Okay, that's what it looks like. And I'm going to just sit this right to the side. Well, I guess I could put it on my list for the purposes of this video. Since I am demoing these products for you guys, I guess I will. Next, I'm definitely going to try this. We have the Tarteist Pro Double Take Eyeliner. And it says, Tarte Double Take Eyeliner. Get the perfect wing eye every time with these gel and liquid partners in line. This best-selling vegan dual-ended eyeliner that has waterproof liquid and gel formulas will cause some serious double takes. It retails for $24. So on one side, it's a liquid liner for obviously for your eyeliner on top, and then one is a gel for like your waterline. And this is the felt tip side, and this is the it twists up the gel side. So we'll be trying out both of those today, both in our waterline and in our, you know, creating a wing. Whoa, I got 4 items I can try on my face today. What's next? Oh, I got 2 more things. Next up, we have the Ren Clear Skincare Perfect Canvas. And this is Clean Jelly Oil Cleanser. Is clinically proven to remove waterproof makeup, SPF, and pollution. The 100% natural derived formula shifts 3 times while you cleanse. Oh, okay. This retails for $32. I'll try this tonight when I take off my makeup. I normally use Cetaphil, but we can try it. Yeah, I'll try this tonight, and I'll let y'all know in a future video how I liked it. Last but certainly not least, we have the, if I can figure it out, the Rodal Soft Focus Glow Drops. Illuminate the complexion, achieve a lift from within glow with new Soft Focus Glow Drops. This skincare makeup hybrid is a next generation wonder serum formulated with active ingredients to brighten the complexion and add a gentle shimmer to instantly boost luminosity and glow. Retails for $60. What do you look like on the inside? I'm really curious about this. I already have my base on, so it's not like I could go ahead and put this on top. What are the directions? Oh, that's in Spanish. That's a different language. Oh, you're supposed to use this before makeup. So I'm going to have to try this another time. But it's like a serum that you put on before makeup. As like you would like a, any liquid highlight actually. You should put on before you put on powder. So yeah, we'll try that in the future. So these two I'm going to sit up here for in the future trying. Now, let's get into this look we got to create. So we're going to try to make a list, honey. A look, honey, with this pastel. With this rose pastels. Let me get my brushes. I'm going to try to be as quick as I can. I know y'all don't got all day to be watching me make this look. I love that it has a mirror. So I'm just going to take a blending brush. Kind of a big one, I guess. Ugh, these shades are so light I can't even. I don't like pastels. I'm melanated and I just don't think that they work well for me. But what do I know? I just live here. This is just my face. I feel like I'm missing some brushes. Oh, I am. The brushes I use the most, I just cleaned them, so they were missing. But now I have them. I was confused. I was like, where are my brushes that I like? Okay. So I'm going to take my Morphe M456, and I am going to go into, y'all, I'm nervous. I don't know about this pastels. I'm going to go into, to this shade, which they don't have shade names, so it's just this one here. And I'm going to place her all over my lid. And I hope I see her. I barely see her. I barely see her, y'all. This is just going to be like a flash of color. This is why I don't really like pastels. Now, Huda Beauty formulas, they blend beautifully. They work well. But if sis is just not for you, sis is just not, come on. I'm very melanated. I just don't know how this is going to work, y'all. Can y'all even see this? Is this coming across on camera? I'm truly concerned. I don't even think y'all can see this. And this is like one of the deeper shades. I don't think there's anything to deepen this up with. This is the deepest shade in the palette. So this is going to just be interesting to see what we come up with. Anyway, now that we have her, there's absolutely nothing to deepen this up with in this palette. If you guys see here, I went in with this shade. I guess I could try to, I don't know, pack this purple in, this deeper purple. Let's see. Oh no. Oh no. The ash. It's the ash for me. It's the ash for me. I can't. No. Oh no. Oh no. This is horrible. I just do not like pastels, y'all. It's not really actually that horrible. They're blending well. They're giving me pastel, which is what they're for. I just don't like pastels. So it's just a personal preference. I guess we'll take this pink shade. At least we know who the beauty is going to show out with the shimmers. We'll take this pink shade and we'll go ahead and we're going to put her. Oh my God, it's the ash for me. We're just going to put her right on the lid. Both sides. My Morphe M152 that you see here. And I don't know which shimmer I should be going with. I guess I'm going to start with this one. I'm going to try her with my finger first. She looks really nice. Ooh, she's super pretty. Okay, now that could elevate a look. Yeah, she's super pretty. Now the shimmers may have just saved it because it wasn't giving me anything. First off, and I'm going to take this shimmer. It's just a bit lighter and we're going to see what she does for me. We're just going to... Ooh, okay. Now, these shimmers are... They definitely save the look for me. I feel like I'm going to try to put this yellow, this gold shimmer in there too. This yellow one. I just feel like it needs something else. Yeah, that's better in the inner corner. Because I just felt like it wasn't giving me nothing but purple vibes. So I feel like this is much better for me. Because I'm not all that into purple pastels. So this Cute Bit of palette for me, 0 out of 5 stars. 0 out of 5 people. 0 out of 5. Next, we're going to go in with the Tarteist Pro Liner. We're going to use the gel. Even though I don't like to use black in my waterline, we're going to try it. We're going to use the gel and the liquid liner. Okay, so I didn't like the gel portion of this liner. It has to be like pointed exactly downward for the product to come out. And that to me is a no. But let's go ahead and try the liquid eyeliner side. And hopefully this doesn't skip. I cannot stand, Lord, let me listen when I tell you, I cannot stand an eyeliner that skips. But we'll see. The felt, it is a felt tip, but it's not too bad. I'm surprised. It did skip a little bit, but not too much to where I felt like, ooh, I could never use this one. There are some that I just refuse to use because all they do is skip. Okay, so now that we are through with the eyes, we're going to go ahead and use the face products that they gave us. I don't know why I can't talk. Which I do already have on highlight because I did my face before I started. But I'm going to still go ahead and use my brush. But look at it. Oh no, this comes off white. And I put a lot, so right here. This might be too light skin for me. Yeah, this might be too light skin. I put it on and now I'm just putting it on my face. Oh no, I don't get it. Let me read the directions. Yeah, this is a regular highlight. I'm supposed to apply it to the high points of my face. So I did pick this in choice, but I do not think that this is melanated color girl friendly. It didn't make a difference. I'm sorry. I'm just going to use my blush brush from earlier and blush my nose a little bit because I felt like I lost a little bit of blush I had going. I went to the Bally Balm. And it says Sweet Orange and Coconut Lip Balm. And it comes out white. Do y'all see that? It comes out white. Let's see. Oh, and it's like medicated. It is very moisturizing. Did it give me any shine?
Can you stop knocking?
Why are you coming in here? You see that I'm filming a video.
Look at my makeup that I had.
Very pretty. Come over here.
But it's not Kaylee's, it's mine.
Who did it?
Me.
Oh, you did a good job. And look at you, Autumn.
Oh, she wanted to be twins.
Y'all are so cute. I love it. Now get out of here. Go, Lola.
Can I say something first?
Go, sure.
Comment and subscribe in this video at the end, like my cheeks.
She said comment and subscribe in this video at the end. For the Huda Beauty Pastel Palette, that was $29. So $29 plus the Laura Mercier highlighter, $44. Plus the Rodale cleanser, $60. This Ren cleanser was $32. The Tarte Double Take eyeliner was $24. And last but not least, this Bally Balm that you guys just saw me put on was $33. So this box has a total value of $222. That's not bad for $37.11. Honestly, I'm much more satisfied with my base box on this one. I don't see myself using any of the products that I received because, well, you know, I am going to use this Ren cleanser and the Dew Drop. So that's not true. So I still got my money's worth in the end, and that's all that matters. Let me know what you like, didn't like. What variation did you get? Like and comment below. Make sure you turn on your notification bell. Subscribe to your mama, cousin, sister, auntie, everybody, side chick, everybody. Join the Brittany Chanel chain. Yes, I'll see you guys next time. Peace, peace, peace to the Middle East, and you didn't even know it, and now you're about to show it.